This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Towne. Popular Dominica model offers a beautiful open floor plan, all situated on one level. This beautiful home features 2 split bedrooms with access to a full bathroom, formal dining room and spacious family room that overlooks the kitchen for all of your entertaining needs. Enjoy a beautifully updated custom kitchen with extended countertop space and cabinets for additional storage, energy-efficient stainless appliances, and large kitchen island. Additional features include custom trim throughout the entire home, designer lighting, Hunter Douglas ceiling fans, large deck, and patio. Spacious Primary Bedroom offers a large walk-in closet and full bathroom. This beautiful home also offers an unfinished lower level that can easily be completed or simply used as additional storage space. Situated on a premium lot on a private cul-de-sac in the desirable Arbordale community. Conveniently located across from Sentara Medical Complex, next to shopping, restaurants and quick access to Route 199 and I-64. For more information, review the details below or contact Towne at 757-746-0089.